Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be drawing a bunch of grapes from life and I'm going to go step by step through how I do that. So to start with, I look at the general shape of my object, and as it's grapes it's quite simple. You just draw a lot of circles and because there's a stem going through I just sort of roughly mark out where that is. I try to place the circles as accurately as possible to the object that I'm looking at, so I try and get the sort of circles in the right place, and it doesn't matter if initially they're sort of overlapping each other. You can sort that out when you begin to add the thicker lines of defining the shapes. When drawing from life, it's mainly all about just observing the object that's in front of you as closely as you possibly can, and generally I think it's a good skill to have, just to challenge yourself, as sometimes drawing from pictures can actually turn out weirdly not as realistic, so it's good to practice doing things from life. I begin to add in the shading of underneath the grapes, as I find it easier to sort of get the shadows in before actually looking at the grapes and shading each individual one. And I think it's quite nice to sort of see them pop out of the page a little bit. As you can see, I then lightly mark in where the highlights of each grape are going to be, and also where I'm going to be putting the darker shades. This is just a guideline for when I start shading each individual grape, as even though I'll be looking at them and observing them while I'm doing it, sometimes you might get mixed up on which grape you're on, or at least I think I do, so that's why I do that. Since pretty much the rest of the video is self-explanatory as it's just me shading in, I'm just going to leave it to the time lapse now.